The main roles of military trucks are to carry soldiers and supplies. 6x6 trucks were firstly used by the U.S. and proved very effective. Now the U.S. focusing on 4x4 military trucks, but still the world is eyeing towards 6x6 technologies. They provide better mobility on rough terrains where 4x4 can feel a lot of difficulties. There are currently hundreds of military trucks, each with different capabilities and roles. In this analysis, we will only discuss 6x6 military trucks. Ranking of these top 5 military 6x6 trucks is based on design, payload capacity, reliability, and mobility. Join the community and stay updated on new content. Number 5. KamAZ 5350. The KamAZ 5350 is another Russian powerful military truck. Its production started in 2003. This truck is available both for civil and military customers. The KamAZ 5350 truck has a total off-road payload capacity of almost 6 tons. It can also tow trailers or artillery pieces with a maximum weight of up to 7 tons. The vehicle has a full-time all-wheel drive and is fitted with a central tire inflation system. Number 4. MTVR. The MTVR is a United States heavy 6x6 truck. It enters production in 2005. MTVR offers greater mobility, payload, and reliability. Its door frames can be folded down to reduce the overall height of the vehicle. The MTVR truck can be fitted with an armor protection kit and can also arm with a 12.7mm or 7.62mm machine gun. MTVR can carry a payload of 7 tons off-road or up to 15 tons on-road. It is equipped with a Caterpillar C12 turbocharged diesel engine that produces 425 horsepower. Number 3. KrAZ 6322. The KrAZ 6322 is a Ukrainian heavy 6x6 truck. It was introduced in 1999. This military truck was specially designed for off-road applications. The KrAZ 6322 truck has a total payload capacity of almost 10 tons. The design of this truck is very unique. The standard body is fitted with drop sides and a removable tarpaulin with bows. The vehicle can carry up to 24 troops. Number 2. Ural 4320. The Ural 4320 is a Russian heavy 6x6 truck. It is a heavyweight truck used to transport cargo available for both military and civilian purposes. It has a payload capacity of 4.5 ton off-road and 6 ton on hard surface roads. Pretty less compared to German MAN SX. It is fitted with a centralized tire pressure system. The machine can operate in harsh climatic conditions ranging from -50°C to +50°C. Despite all of these specifications, Russian truck is not as reliable as its Western counterparts. Too much maintenance is needed for it. Number 1. MAN SX. MAN SX series is developed by Germany. Germany is currently producing probably the best military vehicles. MAN SX is a high-mobility truck introduced in 1960. Its older variants are phased out and replaced with new improved variants. Its 6x6 variant SX44 payload capacity is around 14 to 16 tons. It can withstand harsh weather conditions like temperature -52°C to 50°C. There is a roof hatch, which is used for observation and can also be fitted with a light machine gun. The vehicle is powered by a MAN D2066 LFG 10.5-liter turbocharged diesel engine, developing 440 horsepower. The maximum road speed is electronically limited to 88 kilometers per hour. I'd love for you to join me on this journey. I'm really enjoying making these videos, therefore don't forget to subscribe for more.